Hi, my name's Gelf Alderson and I'm the Executive Chef of River Cottage, and welcome to River Cottage Spices It Up. Across these 4 lessons we're going to explore how to spice vegetables, we're going to see how to spice meat and really elevate it to the next level. We're also going to go out to sea and see how to spice the most wonderful fish that we get here from Lyme Bay Reserve, and then we're going to make our own curry powders and pastes as well. So we're really going to cover every corner of spice cookery. I've pretty much been on every continent in the world, and I've obviously eaten food all the way through those journeys, and you pick up great spice blends, whether it's from the Caribbean or whether it's from more traditional areas like Asia or India. I love spice because it just really gives me the ability to take everything in different directions. So you can take the most simple ingredient, the humble cauliflower, and then hit it with loads of different spices, and before you know it, you're sat with the sun out in North Africa, enjoying those deep flavours of cumin and coriander and lemon, and it really is just, you know, the chef's tool to make food extra special. Spices should be subtle as well as strong at points. It's just how and when we use those really strong flavours. I prefer milder chilies which give us that really great chili flavour rather than the stonkingly hot ones that are really more for a macho chili eating contest. So don't think that everything that has spice in it means hot. Spice isn't about heat, spice is about flavour. This course, it will be great for both a spice lover and someone that's just beginning out on the spice trail. It will give you new ideas of how to use your existing spice knowledge, but if you're really just getting into it, it will give you the 4 pillars of spice usage and really get you on that path to using spices really creatively. I'd love people to gain the confidence just to experiment with spice. So once we've seen the dishes and how they marry together and how the spices work together, that should give you a real good insight on how to go and create your own dishes. And there's no end to the ideas that you can come up with once you get spices to work. What I'm really excited about is seeing what goes on in the online classroom, seeing how you guys share ideas, see what great ideas you're coming up with and how you bounce off each other in it and improve what you're already doing by that discussion you can have there. So once you've got to grips with this particular spice course, you can then take those spice combinations and add them into your everyday cooking, and it will just make your food just that much more exciting.